Closeness. The sacrifices. The offering. Substance, the fire, the light, the heat, the sparks, the smoke, and with the greater passionate longing to become one, it surrenders and evaporates and is absorbed into the atmosphere, completely and utterly blending and losing itself. True intimacy. Creation melds in with Creator. Creator embraces and absorbs, both rising, ultimately transcending any labels or description. Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Olam Vad Shema Yisrael Elokeinu Echad. Everything is everything.